is so cool.
Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Kitchen Yum! I'm Valerie. I'm Victoria. And today we'll be doing molecular gastronomy, which means food science. The molecular gastronomy we'll be doing today is Orbeez! Orbeez are a little sphere that feels like Jell-O, but you can't eat them. But today we're going to make it edible. So you need a strainer. You can use a syringe or a bottle, but we are using a bottle. You need a bowl with water in it, and you need juice in the bottle. You could use any flavor you want, but we have lemon, orange, and watermelon. And you want also an empty bowl to use your straightener with, cold oil, and that's all. Let's get to it. And if you want to make this recipe, we'll leave more about the juice and how to make it in the description box below. So first you want to get your juice of choices from the bottle. I think I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do the lemonade first. That is so cool. It might be a little hot because you have to put on the stove and put it into a bottle. I'm going to try some of the orange juice now. And it's okay if you make a mess, but make sure you do it somewhere that won't get too messy. Like, don't do it in your bedroom. It'll get really messy. This one, I'm just letting it drip because it goes kind of fast. It's like adding food coloring. Now you want to put the Orbeez that are in the strainer into the bowl of water. And use the spoon if Orbeez are still sticking. And then just let it wash. Use a spoon to mix it to get it all washed. And then it will be ready to eat. Time to dig in. That actually tastes really good. I really like it. Probably this is lemon. Whoa. We did lemonade. It's kind of see-through, so you can't really find it. It tastes like lemonade. It's so good. Actually, it's really good. The lemon tastes actually like the lemonade. They taste like the real thing. Here it is. We have other blobby ones, but these ones are all the perfect ones that we had made. There was blobby ones because, like we said, if you don't have cold enough oil, it will fail and turn blobby. So that's why we just wanted to show you the ones that are good. Good, yummy. Bye, guys. But first, before we turn off the camera, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye! If you subscribe, you'll see more videos with us in it. Bye!
Girls, surprise!
Oh my god, what are we doing? A challenge? I want to give a surprise, and whatever under this bowl, we're going to have to make in the next video with Orbeez. Bye. What? Oh my god! It's being squished. but this is a ball. I have one of these too, but it's a cupcake, and it's the same color. It's such a big surprise! And this is so colorful. It's so squishy. In the next video, our mom is gonna try to put like Orbeez into a little ball and then make it a squishy. So we're gonna use these Orbeez from our video to make it into a ball like this. These are going to be in our next video. It's so squishy. It's really sticky and squishy. Bye guys.